Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Kia Soul tire. Begin by parking on level ground, engaging the parking brake, and placing wheel wedges behind opposite wheels. Loosen lug, nuts 1 or 2 turns before raising the car. Position the jack at the manufacturer's lift point, raise until the tire clears the ground, then fully remove the lug nuts and wheel. Keep movement steady and follow each step carefully. With the car secured, use the lug wrench to break tight lug nuts counterclockwise while the wheel remains on the ground. Position the jack at the Kia Soul's lift point, usually reinforced metal near the wheel well, and pump the jack to lift the car until the flat tire is about 3 to 4 inches off the ground. Remove lug nuts completely and carefully pull the wheel straight off to avoid scraping the hub. Slide the spare onto the hub, aligning it with the lug studs, then hand thread each lug nut to prevent cross-threading. Partially lower the car until the spare contacts the ground, but the full weight is not yet on it. Then tighten lug nuts in a star pattern to seat the wheel evenly. Fully lower the car and perform a final torque check with a wrench, ensuring all lug nuts are snug and secure before stowing tools.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.